Hello guys, it's the Cool Wrecker here, and look what I got. A butterfly knife, dang it. Dang it, screw you. Screw you! Dang it. Okay, so who wants to die first? No one? I hate everyone! Mom? Mom? No one? Why does everyone hate me? Guys, I murdered some of this, okay? 2 people. Oh, and if we get 5 likes, I will show you how to do a tutorial on this weapon that will kill everyone. It will even kill your pet shark. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh my god! Dang it, broke! Oh shoot, hold up. Oh crap. As soon as I said that, I was about to say it's indestructible. Yeah, well, I guess that part isn't. Well, if you do it on carpet, it's indestructible. Well, yeah. Goodbye. Ha 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 ha. I'm just kidding. So who wants to die? Come on, show yourselves. Show yourselves. I'm gonna kill myself. Screw it. Screw it. Ah! Ouch. Dang it. Okay. Screw you all. Goodbye.